Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you through changing the name of your YouTube channel on your phone. Let's start by navigating to your channel page. From the home page, tap your profile icon in the bottom navigation bar, then select your channel. Next, locate the edit button, which looks like a pen or pencil, usually found next to the analytics button on the right side of the screen. Then tap on it to access your channel settings. In the settings, find the name section and tap on it. Here you can type in the new name you want for your channel. Remember, you can only change your name twice in 14 days. After entering the new name, tap on Save. Your name will be updated, but note that it may take a minute or two to fully reflect on YouTube. Once updated, revisit your channel to confirm the change. Sometimes, it might take a moment to update, but that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.